So welcome back in new video, and today we are going to discuss PYQ of computer science year 2021. Okay, and the course name is problem solving using computer. Without wasting time, let's move ahead. So question number 1 is how many minimum number of bits are required to represent each letter of English alphabet with unique binary information. So minimum number of bits are required to represent each letter of English alphabet. So answer will be option number B, 8. Okay. Next question. Which of the following operators is the correct option for power AB? For power AB. In Python, for power, we use this sign, double asterisk sign. So this represent power. Okay. In mathematics like this. So this is the correct option. Option number B is correct. Next. Question number 3 is suppose list is 3, 4, 5, 20, and 5. What is list 1 index 5? So here is a set of integers like so when we do indexing, so like we start from 0. So this 3 is at 0 index and 4 is 1 and 5th is second index. Okay. So like this in the question, what is list 1 index 5? The index of 5. So you can see the index of 5 is 2. So option number D is correct, 2. Okay. Next, the address bus width of a memory of size 1024 multiplied by 8 bits. Okay. So the answer will be 10 bits. Okay. Question number 5. The operating system Unix is typically used for. So Unix is a operating system like you use Windows, Linux, and many software like this. So these are operating system. And here the question is Unix is typically used for. So Unix is typically used for desktop computers, laptop computer, and supercomputer. So the correct option is all of above because the operating system Unix typically yes, that's good. Okay. Next, what will be the output of 7 and the power 10 in Python? So like this is a function in Python. So the answer will be option C is correct. Next, which of following is the device used for converting maps, pictures and drawing into digital form of storage in computer? So which device used to convert like pictures and drawing in which form? Pictures and drawing in digital form. So the answer is our digitizer. Okay, digitizer. Option number B is correct. Next, what will be the output of the following Python code? You can see here we have the code def cube x. So written x asterisk x at asterisk x like so x is equal to q5. So we put x is equal to q5. So he put here 5 multiply 5 multiply by 5. So this will be what? 125. So option number B is correct. Okay. So this is Python code, and in this paper there are many Python codes, and I can't explain all the codes in this single video. So if you want the solution of these codes in practical, so comment in the comment box. Okay, then I will see. If I'll get minimum 10 comments, so then I will be definitely provide all the Python programs which is included in this exam and in this paper. Okay. Next. So question number 9. Study the following lines of code in Python. This is again a second Python code. Okay. So I will not explain this, but I will give the answer and I'll give a brief. Okay. So in this integer 1 contains 10 and integer 2 contains 6. Okay. There are two integers, integer 1 and integer 2. Okay. So the our function is if integer 1 is equal to integer 2. Okay. So integer 2 is double positive integer 2. So we have to print what? Integer 1 minus integer 2. So here is you can see integer 1 is 10 and integer 2 is 6, but the our answer is 6. Okay, and if you want to know how the answer is 6, so I will, if you comment in the box, so I will provide you the practical video on Python. Okay, next. So question number 10, during testing of program, what type or types of error are eliminated? So which type of error eliminated when we test our program? So the answer will be option number B. Okay, logical errors are automatically eliminated during the testing. Okay, next, what will be the value of following Python expression? You can see here we have the expression, and if you compile this in like Python, so you will get the very simple answer. And but I will here only give you answer. Okay, so option number A is correct, 3. This was our Python code 3. Okay, question number 12, where does most data go first within a computer memory hierarchy? So I can say you are in first semester, so you don't know what is memory hierarchy. So let's know about memory hierarchy. Okay, then we will do this question. So firstly we are going to know about memory hierarchy. So you can see here a image. Oof, this is not a clear image. Wait a second, I'm going to take a new image. So finally, in this image you can see this is called memory hierarchy, and in the top of memory hierarchy you can see here registers, and registers are in CPU, and you will study about this in BSc third sem. Okay, about CPU and registers. So the question was, firstly where goes data in memory? So it goes in register, then cache memory, then main memory, then flash disk, then traditional disk, and then remote and secondary storage. Okay, so let's move on. This was where does most data goes first within a computer memory hierarchy. So here will be answer is cache memory. Okay, cache memory is the faster memory and the data goes in cache memory. Option number D is correct, because here is not registers, and in this semester we don't have to study about registers, so mainly you will answer cache memory. Okay, question number 13, to read two characters from a file, object in file we use. So answer is option number A, in file read to. Okay, you can learn this. Question number 14, what will be output of following in Python? So here this is a function, def function 1a. This is our Python number 4, Python code 4. Okay, here is answer is option number D, hello to hello to. Okay, next question number 15, what is the output of following pieces of code when execute in the Python shell? So this is our Python code 5th. Okay, you can see that how many codes are here, and this is necessary. Okay, what is the output of the following piece of code when execute in the Python shell? A is any set which contains 1, 2, 3. Okay, A dot intersection update 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to update this A and with the intersection. So intersection means what? The common thing. What the common? So we have to update this A into the intersection of this. So intersection is like common part. So here the common part is 2 and 3. So our answer is option number A, 2 comma 3. Okay, next, which of following is not output device? Not output device. Okay, so you know printer is a output device which gives us prints. Okay, and video is also a output device. So scanner is our input device. So option number C is correct. Next, what will be the output of following Python code? D is a set of three numbers 0, 1, 2. So find x in D. Find x in D. Print D dot add x. So your answer will be C. None, none, none. And if you want to know this reason why this happened, so you have to comment minimum 15 comments. Okay, then I will make a separate video on this. because this is lengthy topics, and this is your Python code 6. Okay. The next question number 18. IDE consists of. So here you all know option number C is correct. Interpreter or debugger, both. Next, which of the given argument type can be skipped from function call? So which type of argument है ना, okay, which is skipped from the function call? So here your answer will be default argument. Default argument is skipped from the function call, okay, which is default. And you know, next 20, the form key method assigns form key method assigns value to key in dictionary by default. Value to key in dictionary by default. So your answer will be option number B, none. This key is like defined like none. 21, what will be the output of following Python code? This is Python code, this Python code 6 like 7. Okay, here is function string. We can put anything like numbers, alphabets, anything in string. Okay, data type string. So in this, my name is X, anything. Okay, for I in string split, so we have to split in two parts. So print. So here will be answer option number C, M matlab means my y name is X. Option number C is correct. And if you want to know about this, so I tell you before. Next, which can be an identifier among them in Python? So which is can be identifier. Identifier is unique. So option number B is correct. $12A. Okay, which contains alphabets, numeric, and special signs. Here you can say there is no any number. There is only special sign and alphabet. Here is alphabet and number. Here is number and alphabet, and here three data type consists. Okay. Next 23. A special request originate from some device to CPU to acquire some of its time is called. A special request originate from some device to CPU. Okay, to acquire some of its time is called. Here your answer is option number C, interrupts, which is used to plan and document processing that involves complex combination of conditions. So option number A is correct, flowchart, combination of conditions. Okay. Question number 25. What will be output of following code of Python? If 9 is less than 0 and 0 is less than -9, then print h, elif. Okay. So these are like functions, elif and else when we use elif. So this all you can know in a proper Python code class. Okay. So this is Python code 9. In a paper, there are 9 Python codes. Okay. So this option is A error, B H and C G, and option number D is D. So option correct is option number B. Okay, H. It will be print H. Question number 26. Operations with the same precedence are in which manner? So एक जैसी प्रधानता के ऑपरेटरों का मूल्यांकन किस क्रम में होता है? ओके, सो लाइक एक जैसे ऑपरेटर्स की प्रधानता का मूल्यांकन. So here is option number D is correct. None of the above. Question number 27. The communication between the component in a microcomputer takes place via address and. So computer takes place via the computer address. So option number D is correct. Address bus, via address bus. 28. Which of the following data structure is written by the function globes and locals? So answer is option C, dictionary. Which of the following data structure is written by the functions globals and locals? So option number C, dictionary. Like 20. Next 29. What will be the output of following Python code? This there are so many Python codes. This is Python code 10. So class, here we defined a class test. So def and self variable, self change, and there are many operators, many functions. So this is very complicated to know this. So but I will give you the answer. What is the correct? but not the reason. Okay, so here is the answer is option number C, old is printed. Next, the most common type of storage devices are, most common type of storage devices. So here is the most common used magnetic tapes. Like magnetic tapes is HDD, hard disk drive. Okay. Next, if in a Python programming language y is greater than 5 is equal to 64, then find the value of y. This is also like a numeric thing, but its answer is 1024. So question number 32, virtual memory is located at. First you have to know what is virtual memory. So when you purchase any pen drive, any memory card, so if you purchase 16 GB memory card, so you get storage of 15.2 GB, 15.3 GB. So where that 0.7. Okay, so these called virtual memory. Okay, so this goes in virtual memory. This is especially for working for system. Okay, so this is called virtual memory. So the option number D is correct, hard drive. Okay, next, 32, which is the most appropriate definition of recursion? Okay, so option number A is correct, a function that calls itself, that's called recurrence. 34, after a subroutine has finished its work, what will happen? After a subroutine has finished its work, what will happen? So option number B is correct. Control is returned, transferred to the caller to the subroutine. Okay. Question number 35. What is the output of the following code of Python? So what is the output of following code of Python? This is our Python code 11. A comma B is 7. A comma B is equal to B comma A. Okay. It's B assigned in A assigned in B. A comma B. So the answer will be 7 comma 6. It's very simple. Okay, see what happened here. First A was 6 and B was 7, and in second function, second operation, we defined like A comma B, like A will be B and B will be A, and they want to print A comma B, so it will be okay, this will be B and this will be A comma B is 7 comma 6. Okay, next, 36, the primary function of the dot 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 is to set up the hardware and load and start an operating system. So in question 36, option number B is correct, BIOS. BIOS is a main part, like which takes places and work in loading and powering off and power on any computer and their operating system. Okay, next, 37, what will be the output of following Python code? It's our Python code 12. Okay, so the answer is A. We are human. I will provide the solution of all these codes when you comment. Okay. Question number 38. Memory unit accessed by content is called. Memory unit which is accessed by content. So any memory unit which is accessed by content, that is associated memory. Okay. Associative memory. 39. Which of the following is not a valid namespace? So which is not a valid namespace? So built-in namespace is not a valid namespace. Option number C. The output of following is, this is an integer 465.43. So this is not any integer. So this is what? This is not an integer type. You know, integer are what? 1, 2, 3, and in plus minus is also true. But here is in floating value. This is the float value. So that's a type error. Okay. Question number 41. What does like maximum evaluate to? So this, the answer is minus plus 6, but here it is not in option, so we can't say anything. So here should be 6, but we takes a plus 5. Okay, question number 46, the von Neumann architecture of computer. Von Neumann was the is the father of computer science. Okay, so here the von Neumann architecture of computer is SISD. Okay, next, 47, what will be the output of the following Python functions? So this is again Python code 13. Okay, Min, max. First min, then max, then false, minus 3, 4, 2, 7. So your answer is option number C, 2. Okay. A data chart is commonly used planning tool in top-down programming, object-oriented programming, procedural programming, and data processing. So a structure chart is commonly used for top-down programming. 49. In Python, what is the output of the following code shown below if the system date is 1/1/2022? So print date. It's 1 January 2022. So it will be print what? 1. Okay. Date is what? Date is 1. So that's why it will print 1. Question number 50. EBCDIC. It is very important question. It will be definitely come in your examination of 2024. So the full form of this EBCDIC. So option number A, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. This is a important full form. Okay, you should definitely learn this. Next, 51. The access method used for magnetic tape. Access method used for magnetic tape is called sequential. Okay, why we say this sequential? Because in tape, this you have seen in a tape, like here you can see a picture like this, and in this there are many songs. Like I can say that music 1, music 2, music 3, music 4, and music 5. Okay, so we can access this sequential. Okay, like in every tape there was two switches, like rewind, like backward rewind, okay, and like forward. So we can click only two, like in sequential. You can play the song by backward, you can play by front. You can't choose directly song number 3 in magnetic tape. Okay, that's why this is called sequential. Next, 52. Actual execution of instructions in a computer takes place. Actual execution in instructions. So you all know is CU, control unit, takes when we talk about calculations and educations. So control unit takes place. Option number B. 53. Arrange the following devices in the ascending order of speed. Ascending order of speed. बढ़ते क्रम में. So we have to take minimum, which is very slow. So very slow is floppy. Floppy disk drive is very slow. And very fast is cache memory. So check the option. Very fast is cache memory, very slow is floppy. Option number C is correct. So if you want to see the diagram, so fastest memory is cache memory, and then cache memory is greater than second hard drive. Okay, hard drive is greater than RAM is greater than what, floppy. Okay, so this is important equation. Question number 54. DMA stands for. Okay, so DMA full form is very important. So DMA means direct memory access. This is the method. Okay, direct memory access. Next, ENIAC was the computer of. Okay, ENIAC was the computer of storage program concept. Option number A. 56. Which component of computer is either? Which component of computer is either? Either application software or system software. Okay. 57. When an algorithm is written in the form of a programming language, it becomes. When any algorithm written in the form of programming languages, it becomes basically pseudocode. Okay. When we write any algorithm in the programming language, that's called pseudocode. Next, actual instruction in flowchart arc. Okay, flowchart arc represented in boxes. Okay, flowchart arc represented in boxes. Question number 59. Is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifier? So yes, okay. Python is very case sensitive. Question number 60. In Python, which of following is not a keyword? So asset is a keyword, pass is a keyword, non-local is a keyword. but evil is not a keyword. So option number A is correct. Next, in which language is Python written? So Python is taken from C language. C language, okay? So option number C is correct. Which of following is a Python tuple? Which is Python tuple? So Python tuple written in like this. So 1, 2, 3 is a Python tuple. So tuple is important. Uh, that's why you have to remember that when we write any tuple, so we use this type of brackets in tuple. Okay. Question number 63. Which is the output of following pieces code? This is our Python code 14. Okay. So here A is a set of integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is a slice 0, 2. So A dot B. So answer will be 0, comma 2. Okay. Which file is converted to an object file? Which file is converted to an object file? So assembly file. Which of the following processes the source code before it goes to the compiler? So source code preprocessor. Okay. 66. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? So for function def, you see this function before in all codes in the question. Okay. Next, 67. Which one of the following is not a Python predefined data type? Okay. So class is not a predefined data type. 68. Study of following statement. So this is Python code 15. Z equals to x such that 0 and y such that 1. Which of following is the correct statement? So all of the correct statement. X dictionary Z is created and X, Y are the key of dictionary Z and 0, 1 are the value of Z. Let's see here. Next, which of the following part of processor contains the hardware necessary to perform all the operations required by a computer? Which of the part of processor contains the hardware necessary performs the, okay? So controller takes all the controls which are necessary. Okay. Option number A is correct. Question number 70. What do we call an error that occurs while a program is being executed? Okay, so any program being executed, then it's occur error. So it is called runtime error. Okay, it is very basic. We call error that occurs. Okay, occurs being executed in running process. So runtime error. 71. Which one of the following is a stored program machine? Stored program machine. So microprocessor. 72. In Python, what is output when following statement is executed? So this is Python code 17. So ABC, greatest integer, colon sign. So answer is CD. CD, last two digits. 73. What is the output of following? This is your Python code 18, PC 18. Okay. So I is equal to 0, it starts from 0, and while I is less than 3, that's okay. Print I plus is equal to 1, else print 0. So A is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, because I starts from 0 until when it goes to 3. So it will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and when it is 3, then again it will print 0. So option number A is correct. Question number 74. Which one of the following is not a programming language of computer? So which is not a programming language of computer? So BIOS, because BIOS is a system which use forward restarting the computer and starting away. So this is not a language. 75. What will be output of the following Python program? This is our Python program, like Python code 19. So k is equal to 0 and k is 14 less than 14. K is k plus 2 like is to 16 and k equal to 10. So it's continue to 6. Option number D. 76. Which device can understand difference between data and program? Which device can difference? So memory, because input and output device never can understand because they don't have memory, and so memory can do this. Option number C is correct. 77. a precise sequence of instruction for processes that can be executed by a computer is called an. So it's called an algorithm. Okay, sequence of instruction is called algorithm. You will study about this in SEM 5th when you will study about tree and data structure. Okay, next. Question number 78. The translator program that converts source code in high level language into machine code line by line is called which which converts line by line is called like compiler executes line by line. Okay, option number B is correct. 79. Register is what we have seen that in the top of hierarchy is called register. Okay, so register is what the work of register is a temporary storage unit within the CPU having dedicated general purpose use. Okay, after this it goes in cache memory. 80. For which algorithm would be best to use an unconditional loop? For which algorithm? So adding up numbers in a list, we can use unconditional algorithm. Okay, loop. Question number 81. Data entry cannot be captured by which of the following options? So COM is the correct option. Question number 82. Which of the following is an arithmetic operator in Python? Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators is what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divide. So here is floor division. This division is a arithmetic operator. Question number 83. Process of removing errors is called debug. Okay, debuggers remove errors from the sites and everywhere. Question number 84. Examination of the program step by step is called stepping. Okay, and after this stepping we use what? We do tracing. Question number 85. Which of following is not hardware part of computer? Not a hardware part of computer. Okay, so this is a hardware program. The device driver is not a hardware. Okay. Question number 86. Which of the following is first neural network computers? Okay, option number A is correct, and this is the first neural network computer. Okay, next. Question number 87. What will be the output of following Python code? So this is our Python code 20. I is equal to 1 while true, and if I percent 2 is equal to 0, break print I plus is equal to 2. So answer is 12589. I can provide the video, a separate video on this, on only programs. I will do their practical, and okay, just you have to comment in the comment section, minimum 15 comments. Question number 88. What is the output of expression round 4.5676 and 2? Okay, so option number A is correct, 4.5. This is because round off, we don't have to take this, only two digits, 4.5. Next, question number 89. What is the output of following code? This is our Python code 21. A is equal to this, and A multiply by 2 like this, and print 1 1. So option number A is correct, 2 3 4. Okay. 19. Which module in Python stands standard library? Okay, parses options received from the command line. So option number B is correct. Get OPT. Okay. In computer, subtraction is generally carried out. Subtraction is carried out by 2's complement. You will study about this in second, third semester. Okay. When you will study about number system. Okay. Next, question number 92. Which of following is the term structured programming refers to? Term structured programming. What is the structured programming? So a collection of techniques to follow program developing is called structured programming. Okay. Next, question number 93. What will be the output of following Python program? This is PC22. 2 is a set of ABC, 2 dot AdSense, okay, 2 dot update, again 2. So here is option number C is correct. A comma B comma C P Q. Okay. Question number 94. Write the list comparison comprehension to pick out only negative integers from a given list. Okay. So only option number C is correct. X in like this. Okay. for taking out all negative. X is greater than, X is less than 0. Okay. 95. In computer system, PCI stands for, this full form is important. Okay, you have to learn this. PCI, peripheral component interconnection, that's called PCI. 96. The top down approach of programming is a useful technique. Okay, top down approach in programming is useful technique for planning a modular programming. Okay. 97. Which of these is the definition for packages in Python? For packages in Python, a folder of Python modules. Okay. Question number 98. What is the output of following program? So this is PC23. So the answer is, because I have no more time and it's time of night 1 a.m. I'm teaching you. Okay. So I will do all this program in a separate video. Okay. So don't worry about that. Just you have to comment. So option number is correct. X is 50. Change global X is equal to 2. Value of X is 50. Okay. Before going on last 98, 99 question, we have forget this important questions. So these are questions of 42, 43, 44. Okay. We have forget this. So RAID stands for RAID. So this full form is also very important. RAID stands for redundant array of independent disk. Option number A is correct. Okay. Next, what is the result of following? Result of following, CMP31. Okay, I can say that CP24, A1, B0, and C true. So option number B is correct. 44. The operation executed on data stored in registers is called. Data stored in registers is called micro operations. 44, 45. What type of data is? A is 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay. So these data types are is list of tuples. List of tuples. Okay. I will conclude you this. What is tuples? What is list? Okay. So here I am concluding. List. List denotes by this bracket and tuples are denotes by this bracket. Okay. So when you this get like this, so these are tuples, and when you get like this 2 comma 3 3 comma 2 and like this, so this is what, list of tuples, first place second list, and when you get this, so this is what, only lists. Question number 99. Suppose t is equal to 1 2, like this is what, this is our tuples. Okay. Which of following incorrect in Python? Option number B, t3 is equal to 4 5. Okay. Next, question number 100. 1 yottabyte is equal to what? Okay. So before solving this question, I'm going to tell you anything like this. This is a chart. You should remember this. Like one bytes is contains 8 bits, and 1 kilobyte, 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 MB contains 1024 KB. 1 GB contains 1024 MB. 1 TB contains 1024 GB. 1 PB and petabytes contains 1024 TB, and 1 EB exabyte contains 1024 PB, and 1 zettabyte ZB contains 1024 EB, and similarly YB. So what the question was, 1 yottabyte. Our question was, question number 100 was 1 YT is equals to what? So 1 YT, where is the YT, is equals to 1 ZB. Okay, 1024 ZB. Let's see. Option number C is correct, 1024 ZB. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and stay connected, and for more like this video, please share and subscribe. And we see in like 100 questions there was 25 plus Python codes, based questions on Python codes. Okay, so Python codes are not difficult. Okay, so Python codes are not more difficult, these are very easy problems. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to what, 8, है ना? So like this, if you want to study these Python codes in brief, so comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.